Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends. Let's continue with the rectification of errors. I'm in page 214, illustration 7, chapter 6, class 11. Okay, and illustration 7. But before we actually go into this illustration, I just want to make one correction to the uh, last sum, what I did. I have noticed that I made an error on this. So this is the last sum what we did, right? So let's go to that sum first, and then probably spend 5 minutes and let me explain the error what I made. One is I have not done the total here, so the balance is carried down, and let me type here. Balance carried down is equal to 17,000 minus 1. I'm just putting the number here, but let's see what is the error that we made here. First one is the here in the ledger Mohit account, sales account, where you have put in suspense account, right? Yeah, purchase debit, suspense debit. Let me. Yeah, here. So suspense account to Mohit account, it's 3,000. I have entered it as 1,000 here, so I'm making the correction here. It's 3,000. It's 3,000. And the next error is on the transaction here. Yeah, so this is the original entry. You can see here, repairs to machinery 1,600, wrongly debited to machinery account as rupees 1,000, right? Machinery account debit to 1,000, machinery account debit to bank is the entry that has got processed, whereas the actual entry should be repairs account debit to 1,600 to bank account 1,600. So we are debiting machinery repairs, which is correct, and we are crediting machinery, which is also correct, whereas should be to suspense account, right? Because it is an error what is getting rectified now, right? Already posted incorrectly, and that is the reason the balance has got moved into suspense account. So this should go to suspense account, credit 600. So by moving it to suspense account credit, we have to add a machinery account, suspense account by machinery. By machinery, it should be 600. Yeah, 600. So the total should be 19,000 minus 1,600. The balance in suspense, which is to be identified as 17,400 rupees. Hope this is clear, right? I just made this errors and then realized that I should get this clarified. Let's continue with, just in case you have any doubts or clarifications, please send an email to babupriya@rediffmail.com. And any queries or doubts, please send an email to the Babu Priya, and also send in comments to the video. Now let's get into the illustration 7. 7, right? Trial balance of Kailash did not agree. He put the difference to suspense account. The following errors were discovered. Goods withdrawn by Kailash for personal use, rupees 500, were not recorded in the books. Okay, this is very simple. There is no entry that has got made. So let's process an entry. Goods withdrawn for personal use is drawings account. Drawings account debit 500, and credit is to purchase account because goods has been withdrawn. Purchase account credit 500. The next one is discount allowed to Ramesh rupees 60 on receiving rupees 2,040 from him was not recorded in the books. So discount allowed is not recorded. Let's record the discount allowed number. It is not recorded. See, where we have to do a rectification is we have to identify original entry or actual entry, etc., and process the rectification when there is an entry that got processed. Here in this case, the entry itself is not processed. So let's record the entry. Discount allowed is an expense. So discount allowed account debit 50, 60, right? 60, and to Ramesh account credit 60. The next one is discount received from Rohan rupees 50 on paying rupees 3,250 to him was not posted at all. So again an error and mistake and miss in posting. So here it is discount received. Discount received is an income. So debit Rohan account debit the giver, right? Rohan account debit 50, discount received, credit all incomes and gains. Next one is rupees 700 received from Khalil, a debtor whose account had earlier been written off as bad was credited to his personal account. Okay, and rupees 700 received from Khalil, a debtor. So it's a bad debts recover case, right? We have recovered a bad debts. So a debtor whose account had earlier been written off as bad was credited to his personal account. So no, it should get bad debts recovered account, right? Because Khalil account has been incorrectly credited, let's debit Khalil account. Khalil account debit 700. Bad debts recovered credit 700. Bad debts recovered credit 700. Right. The next one is cash received from Govil at debtor rupees 5,000 was posted to his account as rupees 500. Cash received from Govil. Cash received. What should be the entry? Cash account debit. What is the actual entry? As posted as rupees 500. And Govil account credit 500. What should be the entry? Cash account debit 5,000, right? And Govil account credit 5,000. If you notice this, it's mentioned here. Cash received from Govil at debtor 5,000 was posted to his account as rupees 500. It's mentioned that only Govil account is incorrectly posted at 5,000. So it means that cash is recorded correctly. It says that posted to his account as rupees 500. So it means that the credit given to Govil alone is incorrect. So I copied here. It means that credit given to debit given to cash is right, but whereas credit given to Govil is incorrect, right? So suspense account debit 4,500, Govil account credit 4,500. Because you have to always see the questions very clearly. Read the questions very clearly. It's mentioned here. Posted to his account as rupees 500. It means that cash received is accounted correctly. So that is the reason we are taking the balance to suspense account. So suspense account debit 4,500, Govil account credit 4,500. Goods returned to Mahesh rupees 700 were posted to his account as rupees 70. Goods returned to Mahesh. Goods returned to Mahesh means sales return. Sales return account debit to Mahesh account. Mahesh account credit 70. Sorry, goods returned is purchase return, right? I'm making a mistake here. So Mahesh account debit 70. Purchase return account credit 70. This is the goods returned to Mahesh rupees 700 was posted to his account as rupees 70. It means purchase return has been entered correctly, right? So what should be the entry? Mahesh account debit 700, purchase return account credit 700. You can see here purchase return is entered correctly. Purchase return is entered correctly. Purchase return is entered correctly. So the entry has got posted to Mahesh account as 70. So what we have to do is we have to suspense account debit 630 and Mahesh account debit 630, suspense account credit 630, right? Because it is posted to purchase return account correctly. The error has happened only on the Mahesh account. You can see here Mahesh account. You can see here Goods returned to Mahesh 700 was posted to his account as rupees 70. It means that goods returned or purchase returned is accounted correctly. Here also, cash received is accounted correctly. Only the debtor portion is accounted incorrectly. So that is the reason we are rectifying that by crediting here and then debiting to suspense. Similarly, we are debiting Mahesh here and then crediting suspense account. Okay. Bills receivable from Narayanan, rupees 1000, was dishonored and wrongly debited to allowances account as rupees 10,000. Bills receivable dishonored means we have to debit the customer. Narayanan account debit 1000 and credit should go to dishonored means bank account 1000, right? Whereas instead of debiting it to Narayanan account, it is debited to allowances account debit as 10,000 and wrongly debited to allowances account as rupees 10,000. So there is no mention whether bank account has been incorrectly credited or not. So it's assumed that bank account credit has been done for 1,000 rupees correctly. Now what we have to do is we have to debit Narayanan account debit 1,000 and we have to debit suspense account 9,000 and allowances account credit 10,000, right? Because Narayanan account has to be debited, right? And allowances account has been incorrectly debited, so reverse allowances account 10,000 and debit Narayanan account 1,000. The balance is nothing but suspense account. Suspense account has to be debited with 9,000 rupees, right? Let's now prepare the ledger. Let's now prepare the ledger. Do we have any beginning balance or suspense account? No. So let's put all the transactions, whatever that we have in suspense account. We have suspense to Govil account, credit to Govil. To Govil, 10,000. To Govil, 4,500. Then we have by Mahesh. By Mahesh, 630. Then we have two allowances, 9,000. So we could identify only 13,500 debit and then 630 credit. There is still unadjusted suspense. Unadjusted suspense which still has to be worked out, which is equal to 13,500 minus 630. So 12,870 still has to be worked out. Hope this is clear, right? Now with this we are completing the illustrations. We'll go into test your understanding type of questions in the next class. And any doubts or clarifications, please reach out to me at babupriya@rediffmail.com or put your comments onto this video. Thank you, friends. Please revise these questions because these are all basics and the basics understandings are more important, right? Please come back to me for any doubts or clarifications and have a great day, friends.